Glioblastoma is a type of cancer that starts as a growth of cells often in the brain. It claims more than 200,000 lives every year. The 5-year survival rate is less than 7%, and the average length of survival is estimated to be only 8 months. Professor Ido Amit, a world-leading expert on immuno-oncology and glioblastoma research at one of Israel's leading research universities, is taking the lead in helping the world to understand this deadly disease and how lives may be saved through the power of genomics.
Glioblastoma is a cancer of the nervous system, and it's one of the most difficult to treat or deadliest cancers there are.
State-of-art research calls for cutting-edge technology. Professor Amit's pioneering use of BGI Group's spatial multi-omics technology, Stereo-seq, provides a more precise understanding of glioblastoma and how it develops.
I believe that spatial technologies will allow us to understand or actually see with our own eyes which cells are actually affected by the immunotherapy treatment. And what we are trying to do together with the BGI group is really understand why is the immune system functioning so different in this tumor? Why is it not able to detect and then destroy the tumor cells? We are in great belief and great hope that this technology with this extremely high spatial resolution will allow us to now understand these mechanisms that the tumor cells are using to block the immune system. And it has many other advantages. And we see the passion of the BGI group in continuing to develop it. I think what's most impressive about this technology is the very close relationship that we have with the customer support, and that allows really to overcome challenges one always has with using such advanced technologies on complex biological problems. This allows us now to think about how can we develop treatments to overcome these roadblocks. BGI technology is now in the forefront of spatial biology. I think it will revolutionize science.
Technological advancement generates new knowledge and data for worldwide scientific studies, and global cooperation spreads this information, expanding opportunities for everyone's advantage. This vision led to the establishment of an international open scientific collaboration consortium, the Spatio-Temporal Omics Consortium, of which Professor Amit is one of the organizing committee members, to expand the border of our knowledge with thought leaders and researchers in the field of genomics from 35 countries.
The genomic revolution happened because people shared data, ideas, and technologies and knowledge. And I believe this consortium will allow us to do the same type of revolution in spatial biology. Allow to generate technology that will be shared across the world, allow to generate data that will be openly shared across universities, across hospitals, across biotech. And I think that's extremely important.
Looking into the future, BGI Group will continue to work with global scientists like Professor Amit to drive breakthroughs in genomics.
And I see through our communication in the last 2 years how this constant communication between my group and BGI has improved our abilities, but also impacts, I think, how BGI sees the direction of the technology is going and developing new types of application, very enthusiastically pushing them, beyond what they were thought were limits or are actually needed at this point. Optimistic that this technology can break new grounds into glioblastoma in general.